If you're running into a payment error on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. Whether your card is being declined, the checkout won't go through, or the payment keeps failing for no clear reason, these simple checks can often solve the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, check your card or payment details carefully. A lot of itch.io payment issues happen because of something simple, like the wrong card number, an expired card, or a billing address that doesn't match what your bank has on file. Double-check every field before trying again. Next, make sure you actually have enough balance available. If you're using a debit card, prepaid card, or a digital payment method, the payment can fail if the available funds are too low, even by a small amount once taxes or fees are added. If everything looks correct and the payment still isn't working, try a different payment method. For example, if one card is declining, test another card or use a different supported option if it's available. Sometimes the issue isn't with itch.io at all, but with the payment processor or your bank rejecting the transaction. Another very effective fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old site data can interfere with checkout pages and cause strange payment errors, especially if the page is loading outdated information. After clearing cache and cookies, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try the purchase again. You should also turn off any VPN or proxy service before checking out. Payment systems often flag or block transactions when a VPN is detected because the location looks unusual or inconsistent. Disabling the VPN can instantly fix the problem in many cases. If the payment still fails after all of that, contact your bank or try again later. Sometimes banks block online purchases as a security measure, especially if it's the first time you're buying from a site like itch.io. In that case, your bank may need to approve the charge. You can also wait a little while and try again later, because temporary payment processor issues can happen too. So to recap, start by checking your card details and available balance, then try another payment method, clear your browser cache and cookies, turn off your VPN, and finally contact your bank or try again later if needed. These steps solve most itch.io payment errors without much trouble. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.